at the park today. It's 11:57.
Like yesterday, we were just in the park.
For some reason, we're here again.
We're going here pretty much twice.
Yeah, probably.
Twice.
11:57.
Tornado signs go off. Yeah. It's just a test.
Yeah, it's just a test.
12 o'clock.
They do it every Wednesday in Ohio for some reason.
They have frequently.
Yeah, they have to have them.
Once the tornado signs go up, we're gonna be up there.
Yeah, we're actually gonna like pretend there's a real. 11:58, so 2 more minutes.
We're back at the park like we were yesterday at Pineapple Community Park.
I guess it's. I guess that's what it's called. Yeah, I guess it is. Yeah. Nice and sunny. Geez, like what the heck is that?
Let's go.
Okay, it's 11:59. Let's just head up there. Gonna get ready. Okay. Ow, that hurts. Okay, what side are we going on?
We're gonna stand up here.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So the side's about to go off.
Yeah. 11:59. Things actually might get a little loud. Isn't there like a tornado sign like somewhere over here? Isn't there?
It's by Bears Auto Park, and I think there's one over here.
Yeah, there is a tornado siren coming.
Okay, it's on 59.
Oh my god.
We're getting there.
I know.
We can't wait.
Mm-hmm.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. What?
Come on, come on.
Come on. It's not there yet. Not there yet. Okay, it's 12 o'clock. Here we go.
Here we go.
Oh my god. Things might get loud. Oh, yep.
There they are. There they are, guys.
Yep.
Wanting to hear them.
Yep.
Here they are.
Oh my god.
Sound is big. They're loud.
It's actually kind of loud.
For this spot.
Yeah. Oh my god. It is loud.
So then it gets loud. Yeah.
Holy crap.
Totally.
They go off, I think, one more time.
They go off a couple times.
Yeah. Probably only like 3 times.
Oh, they're done.
No, they're not.
It's 12:01.
What, they are?
Yeah.
Oh. That's dumb. Oh.
Wow, quick.
Yeah, it was. Oh!
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh god.
So, I'm at the park like we were yesterday, and the tornado signs are going off. Because it's a test in Ohio they do.
Yeah.
Every Wednesday. It's this baseball maniac at the park, the Thornapple Community Park.
Yeah.
So, here they are.
Oh
yeah.
god, that hurt my
Oh,
ear.
that's a loud one. Yep.
Oh!
Oh, wow. That's a good one.
Wow, that was juicy.
That's a good siren right there.
Yeah. Still going
Today
off,
there'll be
barely.
3 videos.
3.
Yeah.
Okay, I think they're done.
The siren's right done now. Let's just stand there for maybe one more.
Yeah.
And then we'll go.
I mean, it's 12:02 now.
We'll be here again.
Probably, I don't know.
There's our bike. Our bike.
Yeah, they're under there, there's mine.
We park our bikes under there.
And this is where we just...
Yeah, this is our hangout spot, so...
Normally this is where my brother's friends just hang out after school.
Yeah, my brother's, well, such our school, but
Study.
school.
Study.
Every time
Yeah.
people come up here after school. They got set the benches over there. But, so
That thing.
it's good. It's a fun place up here.
Yeah.
Community park.
There's the tube slide.
We'll probably start coming up here like, what, 2 to 3 times a week?
Yeah.
Like Mondays, Tuesdays,
and Wednesdays.
And Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays.
What about Wednesdays?
We're gonna take a break. Or we might come on.
We should just come up here every, like, Tuesdays and Wednesdays.
No, let's come up here every Monday. Wait, no.
Oh.
Tuesdays. Yeah. Tuesdays. Monday, Tuesdays, and Fridays we'll come.
Yeah.
So it's a fun place to come to.
It's really fun, I'm telling you.
But today's Wednesday, it's an exceptionary time. But
Yep.
this week, I think we're just gonna come every day because it's a fun park to play at.
I mean, yeah.
I mean, it's a park for like
This is the toddler park over there, and this is, I guess, the big kid park.
Yeah, so
There's a few cuss words in this slide.
Yeah, you don't want to.
Yeah, we don't want to see that because we'll probably get suspended.
Let's
But
go
we
down
actually
the slides. Come on, Evan.
Okay, actually, yeah. Let's go.
This video will be longer than yesterday's park video.
Lee!
I think we will start doing vlogs every Tuesday.
Yeah.
Vlogs every Tuesday.
It's your boy. Hello. Hola. Hello. Hola. Bonjour. No. Fun. What?
Yeah, but there'll be vlogs every Tuesday. The other videos.
Sunny. Oh, what? I don't
think every time I come up
get
here, there'll be
this.
vlogs.
I don't get that.
A lot of vlogs will be coming up. There will be 1 week I will be doing vlogs just the whole week.
The whole week.
Myrtle Beach.
Oh yeah, we're going to Myrtle Beach. The end of summer. Hello, Mr. Sun. It's your stop. Wait, that face though. Going in the shade area. Yeah. Actually, it's pretty cool. Yeah. What poles? Oh yeah, the rules. No smoking, of course. We don't want to get the kids sick.
Sit. Come on. Sit.
Okay. Look. It is actually.
I think I'll make it like a vlog one where you just show the vlog.
Jeez, my camera can see the whole park.
I think I'll be making a different vlogs too. So
What, another channel?
no, these are just the vlogs.
And look at this. Play. Play.
So
Look at that.
let's I'm gonna go over here.
And there goes my brother. Well. Anyway. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, leave a comment down below. It's not going to end yet. It's going to end whenever it wants to end. Okay? Okay, my brother's going to go on the slide. It's going to be good. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, hey, Mr. Bug. Oh, don't leave. And here it comes.
One video.
Anyway.
Videos.
But yeah. This is gonna be my first face part of my videos.
Amazing videos.
Subscribe. Just SUB SCRIB. Spell subscribe. And make sure you leave a like and smash that like button. I mean, smash it and leave a comment down below. And bye.
Right now,
Peace out.
hit the subscribe
Peace
button.
out.
Hit the like button.